my YouTube family! Today is the D-Day. Why the D-Day? Because it's my first vlog in English and I'm so super excited, but also a little bit scared because I know it's not the best, but maybe also not the worst English you will ever hear. So, today we are going to talk about the booty! Yay! So, first of all, I'm going to share with you some tips about training, and then we are going to do my favorite 5 exercises for the booty building. Yeah! Okay, so everyone wants to have a nice booty, even my boyfriend Nick, but we all know that it's really hard to get it. So don't forget, it's really important that you know how to train your booty. So be smart at your training and please think about 5 secrets or rules that I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so first and probably one of the most important things that you really have to pay attention to is mind-muscle connection. And what does that mean? So for an example, if you are training glutes, so you are doing hip thrusts, you really have to think about that muscle group. You are training your booty, you are doing hip thrusts and your glutes are working. You really have to focus on them and please don't forget to think how to squeeze your booty. So that is mind-muscle connection, that you are always thinking about what you are doing, okay? Don't think about all the other things, just about your booty or that muscle that is working on this exercise. Okay, so the rule number 2 is working to failure. Please take your booty over your limits and make as much as you can reps so your booty will really feel that burn and yes, it will grow and get stronger. Okay, so yes, if you think that this workout is too easy, add some weights or make more reps. So you'll really have to feel that burn in your booty. It's not enough just to do the workout and just to say, yes, I am working on my booty. But no, you have to feel it during the training and later during the recovery, the booty will start to grow. So that is the number 2 rule. Okay, so here we are with our rule number 3, and that is training in different planes. I don't know if you know, but our booty is made from 3 muscles, and that is gluteus maximus, that is pushing our booty upper, and here we are with our gluteus minimus and gluteus medius that are doing the shape of our hips. I hope that you imagine these my sculptures. Yes, but because of that, it's also almost impossible to train all the three muscles together, so we have to split them into the different exercises. For an example, if you're doing hip thrust, so the hip thrust is pushing our booty upper, okay? And for an example, our abduction with our pitch booty plan bend is making our shape of our hips. I hope that you imagine that. And for an example, if you can imagine people doing squats and their knees many times are going inside, okay? So that means that these 2 muscles are not strong enough, so you have to work on your abductions, okay? So you have to push your knees out and you are working on these 2 muscles. Okay, and when these 2 muscles will get stronger, you will also be able to do the technique of your squats much better. Okay, so the rule or the secret number 4 is the bend. I'm going to tell you a short story about me and Nick and how we started our journey with the pitch booty plan bend. So we were both personal trainers and many times we met our clients who cannot feel that booty during the workout. So we found out that band, and when we both made our first workout, we were just like, oh my god, I'm burning, my booty is burning, I'm really feeling that burn. So that was that point when we decided to start our journey with a Pitch Booty Plan band, and our vision was to help the Slovenian people or the Slovenian women to start doing their workouts more effective and to start feeling that burn in their booties. So yes, we got it. And I promise you, if you have never tried your workout with your band, you really have to do it. You will thank me later. I promise you that you will really feel that burn in your booty, and your booty will start to grow and get the really nice shape. Okay, so here we are with secret number 5, and that is add some weights. As I already told you, it's not enough just to train, but you really have to train smart, and you really have to make as much as you can on your workout. So if you started with your body weights, that is cool, but after times you really have to add some weights to make the progress. Please don't stick at one point and be in your comfort zone, but get out and add some weights and get your results sooner. Okay, so I hope that you understand my English, and if you like that video, please click the button below, like, and if you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. It would really mean the world to us. So see you soon in our living room, and let's do the workout.
These my dance make it hurt.
Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope that you liked that content that I'm sharing with you. If you want to see more of that, please comment below what you want to see next. So see you soon, and please subscribe and like, and have a nice day. Bye bye!